Assalamualaikum viewers, today I am here to make a desert view painting. First, I have to apply orange color. We have to blend it clearly. Now I am applying yellow color. Orange color and yellow color should be blended smoothly. I have to cover all the white space with yellow color. Here you can see the blending technique. Now I am applying another layer of yellow color on the orange color to have a beautiful shade. Have to apply white color to have a lighter shade. Have to blend and blend again twice. Now I'm applying mustard color for sandy desert. Now I'm drawing realistic mountains with orange color. Now I'm drawing cactus plant with green color as there are cactus in the desert. As you know that there are cactus plants in the desert, so I'm drawing numerous cactus plants. Using black paint, I have to make dots on the cactus. Now I'm making light grass. Applying white color, I'm going to make the moon. Now it is completed. If you like my video, so please like and share and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.